Toyota begins Canadian production of the 6th-Gen RAV4. Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada, TMMC, has officially started production of the all-new 6th-generation Toyota RAV4 at its Woodstock, Ontario assembly plant as of January 23, 2026. This latest model is being built for the North American market and marks a key manufacturing milestone for Toyota in Canada's automotive industry. Why this matters? Confidence in Canada's workforce. Toyota selected TMMC to build this next-gen RAV4, reflecting trust in the plant's capabilities and quality standards. Big investment. Toyota invested more than $1.1 billion CAD into tooling and updates specifically for this vehicle, bringing its total Canadian investment to over $12 billion Canadian dollars. Production track record. TMMC has produced more than 4 million RAV4s since 2009 and assembled over 535,000 vehicles in 2025 across its facilities, highlighting the scale of Toyota's operations in Ontario. Electrified only and new lineup. The all-new RAV4 is part of Toyota's shift toward electrification. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid (PHEV) only, Toyota no longer offers a gas-only RAV4 in this generation. The new model emphasizes improved efficiency, performance, and modern tech compared with the outgoing version. The most notable technological change in the production process is that the 6th-generation RAV4 is now only available in hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions. This forced the Canadian plant to upgrade its battery and electrification powertrain assembly lines. Batteries are assembled in modules, and voltage and sealing are checked before being installed in the vehicle. Each battery pack is assigned a traceability code, allowing Toyota to track its lifespan and quality from the factory to many years after the vehicle is put into service. At the end of the assembly line, each new RAV4 undergoes dynamic testing, hybrid system testing, braking, and driver assistance testing under simulated real-world conditions. The vehicles are not only test-driven, but also data-read, with all parameters recorded to ensure compliance with Toyota's global standards. Toyota's production of the 6th-generation RAV4 in Canada is not simply about assembling a best-selling SUV, but about showcasing Toyota's most advanced manufacturing capabilities, smarter robots, AI-controlled quality, environmentally friendly production lines, and readiness for the era of electrification. And it is these behind-the-scenes efforts that will form the foundation for the RAV4 to continue holding its position as the national SUV for many years to come.